Looking for the perfect tire repair tools? Here's what you need to know. The tire repair screws is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants what you get. 70-piece screw-in tire plugs. Small, 11, 7x5, 3 mm. Large, 12, 7x6, 8 mm. Dual sizes fit most scenarios and tires. Essential for tire repairing. Designed to help you carbon steel durability. High-grade carbon steel core with rubber coating for wear resistance. They stay secure even when driving on rough mountain roads. Great choice if you need easy operation and efficient repair. The car tire repair screws are easy to operate. No flaring tool is needed. Minimizes tire damage, the secondary damage to the tire. Firstly, observe the size of the puncture hole. Choose the right size of plug. Then use a screwdriver to screw plug into the tire hole. Easy and effortless. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.